Storm Team Weather Lab, KMAC meteorologist Lance Blocker.
Does it get any better than this? Take a look right here from the Overton sky view, looking, of course, to the west. Now the sun reaching that horizon. We had a beautiful afternoon today. We do note the increase in cloud cover, a few extra clouds out there right now. That will only increase in coverage overnight tonight, and that is because of this low pressure center now pushing eastward. Now right around Los Angeles, actually just south of there. That will move to the east, and then on top of that, we have a lot of Gulf moisture actually flowing into our region, which is great news because when they come together, maybe we'll see that chance of rain. But tonight into tomorrow, that added humidity with really no winds overnight tonight, well, we're going to see that fog repeating once again tomorrow morning, so be careful if you're headed out on the roadways tomorrow morning. And then, of course, those storms for tomorrow night. Really night, I'd say as early as 6 p.m., but that's mainly for areas off of the south, off of the Caprock over towards the rolling plains. And then a windy day for us here on Monday and a dry week ahead after that. Now, let's get right to it. This evening, we'll see those clouds begin to build into the area, but check out these temperatures overnight tonight, fairly moderate. This by 9 a.m. tomorrow, 50 degrees for this time of year as we start out your Sunday. That's great for us. We'll enjoy that. If you got a jog planned tomorrow morning, that'll be nice. You will note the humidity though. Then by tomorrow at about 5 p.m., we'll see a few breaks in the clouds. But take a look at this. Check out where this one little area of breaks in the clouds is. From 68 degrees down in Gale, 66 in La Mesa. But if you trend northward, you don't get those breaks in the cloud. It's cooler still, but watch what happens because of that. You get the breaks in the clouds, added temperature, a little bit more fuel for the fire, and then you get to see this. Let's move this forward just a couple of hours here. We begin to see these storms pop up, especially east of Lubbock is what I'm thinking right now. There are some models. The trend is to bring these storms a little bit further west. I don't necessarily agree with that right now, unfortunately, but we're keeping an eye on it. Stay tuned for additional updates on that. Then as we push this forward now, by 9:30 tomorrow, the showers begin to impact especially southeastern Lubbock County, perhaps as far northwest as Lubbock. Again, we'll keep an eye on all of that. A lot still has to come together, but we are excited because at least we have some rain in the forecast. This by Monday will be your other big story. Monday afternoon, it's winds out of the west. They will be picking up gusts over 40 miles per hour. Now, the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma has picked up on these storms' potential, perhaps a strong storm or two, especially eastern portions of the South Plains. A general thunderstorm forecasted here for us here, not expecting any severe weather for our local region here now. Rainfall, though, we'll be excited about this. I don't expect to see rainfall amounts this widespread, not as widespread as what we're seeing here, but where we see those storms pop up, where they build, they could dump a lot of water fairly quickly. You'll see here actually where this little bit darker shaded green, that's where a storm track is going, so it's bringing up that extra rainfall there. Now again for tonight into tomorrow, mild temperatures overnight, fog developing after midnight tonight. Then your 7-day forecast showing that chance of rain, especially late afternoon into the evening and overnight tomorrow night, followed by windy and clearing conditions for your Monday, high of about 58 degrees. Cooler temperatures right around average as we move through the work week, and a few more clouds on schedule for Thursday and Friday. That's all we got here from the KMAC Weather Lab. Eric Kelly has your latest in Red Raider Nation, including a look at the updates from Texas Tech basketball. Don't go anywhere.